In this video, we are going to see how we can tackle this system message problem or error which says system date deviates from all companies' fiscal year. Create a new posting period that contains the system date. Otherwise, creating journal transaction is not recommended. So basically, this is not an error. This only shows up when you use OEC computers. You log in into OEC computers because we might be using SAP Business One in 2022 or 2026, whatever year it is. But OEC computers has the sample data from 2006 to 2012. That means only those financial years have been enabled in OEC computers. So once you log into that company, it automatically identifies that your current system date is 2022, but the financial years that is open in OEC computers is up till 2012. So you won't be able to make the entries for 2022. For that, you have to make and enable fiscal years. So we can ignore this error and we can simply explore this sample company. Or if you want to enter some transactions in the sample company, then you face the problem that you have to open new financial year. So what we can do is we can search it by menus. Right here, fiscal year. It will show us fiscal year change, and from the main menu as well, you can follow this. Go to the financials, fixed asset, and fiscal year change. But we can easily change this. We'll just simply click on the search menus and right here, posting period. So we have these posting years set. As you can see, it starts from 2006 and scroll all the way down to the bottom. We will end up on 2013. So if you want to enter 2022 transactions, you will click on new period. But before that, if you want to go it from the main menu, go to the administration, click on system initialization and hit posting period. We click on new, but you cannot create 2022 directly. First of all, you will create 2014. Sub period name is also 2014, set it by months. The status of 2014 is unlocked. Click add. Now you will create new period again. Create 2015 by months. It's unlocked. Click add. You will keep on adding and you will keep on adding 2016, 2017, 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, and finally you can enter 2022 year. So as you can see, as soon as we click on new period, now it's recommending 2016. So let's quickly create that by months. Click add. Then we click on new period. It is recommending 2017. So that is the main purpose of it. But this is not an error. You can simply ignore through all of this. Whatever I have explained you, it doesn't involve any kind of transaction entry. When we create a new company, you don't have to create that many posting periods. So that's how you can resolve it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.